आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
If the lines ax plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus by plus 1 is equal to 0, and x plus y plus c is equal to 0, a, b, c being distinct and different from 1 are concurrent, then prove that 1 upon 1 minus a plus 1 upon 1 minus b plus 1 upon 1 minus c is equal to 0. Now we know that if lines a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 is equal to 0 and a3 x plus b3 y plus c3 is equal to 0, then the determinant is that is a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 is equal to 0 when a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0, then the determinant is equal to 0, right? So here we have three lines with us given to us that are ax plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. We have x plus by plus 1 equal to 0 and x plus y plus c is equal to 0. So they are concurrent. So can we write them as a 1 1 1 b 1 1 1 c. So the determinant is equal to 0. Now we'll use column operations. By column operation, what operation can we use? We can use C2 is C2 minus C1 and C3 is C3 minus C1, right? So what will we get? We'll get a 1 1 1 minus a b minus 1 0 1 minus a 0 c minus 1 is equal to 0, right? If we expand them, we'll get a b minus 1 into c minus 1, b minus 1 into c minus 1, a into b minus 1 into c minus 1 minus 1 minus a into c minus 1 into c minus 1 minus a into c minus 1 minus a into c minus 1 minus 1 minus a into b minus 1 1 minus a into b minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we'll divide by 1 minus a 1 minus b and 1 minus c on both sides. We'll get a upon 1 minus a plus 1 upon 1 minus b plus 1 upon 1 minus c is equal to 0, right? if we divide by 1 minus a into 1 minus b into 1 minus c, first we divided it by this, so 1 minus b and 1 minus c got cancelled. Then we divided by this second part, 1 minus a and 1 minus c got cancelled and we got 1 minus b, and then we divided it by the third part and we are left with 1 minus c. So now can I write this a as a plus 1 minus 1? We did plus 1 and minus 1, we'll get a minus 1 upon, and we took out the minus sign common, so we got plus here. We took minus sign common, so we got a plus. So 1 minus a upon 1 minus a plus 1 upon 1 minus a plus 1 upon 1 minus b plus 1 upon 1 minus c is equal to 0. What is a minus 1 upon 1 minus a? It's minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 minus a plus 1 upon 1 minus b plus 1 upon 1 minus c is equal to 0, right? We'll take minus 1 to the right hand side, we'll get 1 upon 1 minus a plus 1 upon 1 minus b plus 1 upon 1 minus c is equal to 1, and that's what we were required to prove. Hence proved. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।